Some people physically cannot walk into sunlight without sneezing, and they inherited it. It's not the heat, not dust, not allergies. It happens the instant they go from shade into bright light. Scientists gave it an actual name, ACHOO syndrome, and it runs in families. Pass, don't pass, like eye color. Here's the glitch. The nerve that senses light in your eyes runs right next to the nerve that triggers a sneeze. So when a flood of light overwhelms one nerve, the signal spills over, and your brain misreads it as something up your nose. You're not reacting to the sun, your wiring just crossed the streams, which means about 1 in 4 people sneeze at the sun and never knew why until now.